Hello everyone! Did you know that the first drink you take in the morning can either protect your kidneys or slowly damage them without you realizing it? Every morning, millions of people unknowingly overload their kidneys before breakfast even begins. Today, I will share 3 powerful morning drinks that naturally detox your body and keep your kidneys healthy. Your kidneys work all night long, filtering your blood and removing toxins. But what you drink in the morning decides how much pressure they will face throughout the day. Some drinks support kidney function, while others silently cause damage over time. Let's explore the 3 best morning drinks that help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and protect your kidneys naturally. Number 1. Green tea. It looks simple, tastes light, but every cup is a gift for your kidneys. Green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants called catechins. They protect kidney cells and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Less inflammation means better blood filtration and healthier kidneys. Green tea helps reduce oxalates, lowering the risk of kidney stones. It also supports healthy blood pressure, ensuring proper blood flow to the kidneys. Use hot, not boiling water. Steep for only 2 to 3 minutes. Never add sugar. You may add a slice of lemon or fresh mint for taste and extra antioxidants. Number 2. Cranberry juice. A simple drink that protects your urinary system and supports kidney health. Cranberry juice is low in potassium, making it safer for weak kidneys. It is rich in vitamin C, which neutralizes harmful free radicals and protects kidney tissue. Cranberry juice prevents bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall. This reduces urinary tract infections that can spread to the kidneys. How to drink safely. Always choose unsweetened cranberry juice. If the taste is strong, dilute 1 part juice with 3 parts water. Number 3. Healthy smoothies. Perfect for mornings when you want nutrition without burdening your kidneys. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are rich in polyphenols. They protect kidney cells and reduce oxidative stress. Use plain, unsweetened yogurt. A healthy gut reduces inflammation, indirectly protecting your kidneys. Blend half a cup of berries, plain yogurt, and water or ice. Avoid sugar, syrups, and sweet juices. Consistency is the key. These 3 morning drinks help
Cranberry
flush
juice
toxins,
is low in potassium.
protect kidney cells, balance blood sugar, and provide clean energy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and share it. Subscribe for more trusted medical guidance. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Until then, take care.